Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zach, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create avatar on TikTok. This is actually very easy. Now if you want to do that, go ahead and open your TikTok app and then click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now once you click on that, the next thing you want to do is to click on this effects icon. So I'm going to click on that. And right here we're going to look for the avatar effect. Now here it is right here. I'm going to click on that. Now once you click on that, it will bring out this panel for you to choose templates of avatar. You can choose to choose anyone from here and go with it, or you can click on the create new to create new avatar. So again, you have to click on any of these templates, and then once you click on that, you can start customizing your avatar. You can starting from the skin tone. Now you have to change the skin tone if you like, and then you go to the hair, change the hair color and the hairstyle. Now you have to do this down to the last one, which is the headwear. All right, and that is if you like also. So once you're done with that, click on the done button at the top right corner, and the next thing you have to do here is to record a video with your avatar. All right, so you have to click on the record button and record a video with your avatar, and then once you're done recording, then you can choose to post your story or you can post on TikTok. So guys, this is how you can create avatar on TikTok. Hope this guide was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and please subscribe to this channel to get more tips like these. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.